no cry. No woman, no cry. Say, I remember when we used to sit in the government yard in Trenchtown, observing the hypocrites as they would mingle with the good people we meet. Good friends we have, hey, good friends we've lost along the way. In this great future, we can't forget our past. So dry your tears, I say. Oh, woman, no cry. No, woman, no cry. Here, little darling, don't shed no tears. No, woman, no cry. Said I remember when we used to sit in the government yard in Trenchtown. And then Georgie would make the fire light as it would log wood burning through the night. Then we would cook cornmeal porridge, of which I'll share with you. My feet are my only carriage, so I've got to push on through. But while I'm counting on me, no woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Woman, little sister.